Hi guys, good morning, Cruise Control Mark's Garage. So guys, nandito tayo sa Parañaque, nag-install ng auto fault side mirror dito sa Altis 2016 and manual transmission. So ngayon naka-unlock yan. Ilalak natin, mag-fold yung side mirror. Ayan, nag-fold, unlock. Okay. No splicing guys, no splicing, no cutting po. Ayan. Stock side mirror. So ito pa din yung pindutan niya. Ayan. Fold. Okay. Dito lang yan guys, kay Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Yes.